Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by making sure your iPhone and AirPods Pro 2 are updated. This enables live listen features. Once paired and in your ears, open Control Center and find the hearing icon. If it's missing, add it via Settings right arrow Control Center. Tap Hearing, then Live Listen to turn on the mic. You're using the phone as a remote microphone that streams to your buds. Make sure volume is low at first so you don't overload your ears. Then increase gradually to a comfortable level. Once Live Listen is active, position your iPhone between 1 and 6 feet from the person or source you want to hear. Point the phone's mic directly at them for best pickup. Make sure you adjust the iPhone media volume and the AirPods output level independently so speech is clear without distortion. If using AirPods Pro 2, enable Conversation Boost in Accessibility or switch Transparency mode to emphasize voices. These modes change how microphones mix ambient sound and finish by customizing equalizer settings and accessibility hearing accommodations to emphasize speech frequencies. This refines what you hear. Make sure the AirPods fit snugly and try different ear tips to improve isolation and clarity. If you notice clipping, latency, or dropouts, lower the output level and toggle Live Listen off and on. Repairing the AirPods often clears connectivity glitches. If problems persist, restart your iPhone, reset the AirPods Pro 2, and test with another phone to isolate hardware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.